Hi, Kathy here from Kathys Creations with my granddaughter,
Megan.
and we're going to have the drawing. Here's everybody's name.
I have your list.
42 people.
It's on there. Can you? Yeah, there you go. 42.
I see a 4. 42 names on that paper.
I haven't started it. That was just the number that came up.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. But 1 through 42.
How many tries are we doing?
Just one. So we have the American-made table runner right here. Okay. You ready? Who's the lucky person?
29.
29.
Yeah, 29.
I feel like I'm playing bingo. Linda Salkeld, looks like.
Salkeld?
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 Salkeld. Send your information, which is your
Linda S.
Your address and your telephone number to kathyskutekreations@gmail.com, and I'll put it across the screen down there so you can see it. Okay? Congratulations. That's it.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
There you go. Yay, she got it. Woohoo!
Bye.